What's up, guys? It's your boy FastLaneD, and today we're about to head to the first official Fast Lane Gang Meetup. I'm so pumped. We're running a little bit behind, so we're gonna go ahead and get this cold start going. Woo! I'm at my parents' place for the holidays, and I know my dad's gonna be pissed. This bike literally will shake the entire house when I have it in the garage. I don't even care, dude.
What's up with the bag that's outside of
Take them off.
Excuse me?
I said take them off.
Oh no, I heard you the first time. You ain't gotta repeat yourself. I just need you to elaborate. Like, what am I taking off?
Shoes! Your shoes!
Yep, I'm wearing shoes.
No shoes in the house! Take them!
Never at ease, I don't know a limit. Chasing a dream, I don't know what sleepers. I got a queen, she lit me to eat it. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me to snippet. Well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, I'm doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cut throat from the low, when the love goes. Women buddy like it's been that. When I'm looking at the bill stack off the.
Man, it's crazy how much of a difference lubing your chain, cleaning your chain, and adjusting it makes. Like, Storm feels so much smoother. And look at all the carbon fiber drip, boy. In this sunlight, I am freaking loving it. I honestly don't know what to expect with this meetup. Like, I don't know if there's gonna be 2 people there, 3 people there, 8 people there, 20 people. Like, I have no clue. Kind of just going into it with no expectations. I mean, whoever's there, it'll be cool to meet regardless. I'm just excited to like actually be able to put some faces to some names. So I've talked to a lot of people on Instagram and in the comment section. But if you're not following people on Instagram, what are you doing? Come on now, you're missing out, baby. I love the quick shifter on this bike, man. Makes such a big difference. A lifted Escalade. This is a first. I've never seen a stanced out Escalade. I don't know how I feel about this right now. She's thick, that's for sure. This is my favorite curve ever right here. Let's actually get in the proper position. Come on, give it to me, Storm, give it to me. So much fun, man, so much fun. Now, I do not condone this kind of riding. I'm just super late. This is my favorite skyline view of Atlanta, by the way. When you come around that bend, it's like, welcome to Atlanta, baby.
Welcome to Atlanta where the players play.
Man, I miss my city, dude. Golly, this is insane. Man, so we are officially, what, 40 minutes late to my own meetup? Tight. I don't think anyone expects anything less out of me, though. Man, we got the Georgia Tech football game going on. So it is packed out here right now. Storm needs gas, but good news, no check engine lights. Everything's good to roll. We got here safely. All right, let's see who we got out here. Oh yeah, we got a Jigster coming in. We got a cool little squad out here, boy. Looks like we got a ZX14 We got a little Triumph Speed. Ooh, look at the Rocket 3. ZX10. What up? Let's go. All the Beamers are out here. Hell yes. Damn. There's always a squad of Beamers, man, every time. We got two-wheel monster out here. It's gonna be a good day, man. Woo! Oh yeah. What's going on, guys?
What's good, man? Doing all right?
Yeah, she did not want to start. How you feeling? Good? What's going on, man? Hell yeah. What are y'all's names?
Cameron.
Cameron? Lee? Okay. Leo? Quinn. All right, hell yeah. What are y'all on?
Z900 here.
Okay. Hell yeah. I love all the blue, man. That looks good. What's up, man? How you doing? What are y'all on?
The Black Speed Trouble.
Oh, hell yeah. What's up, man? Dylan. What was it? Afon. Nice to meet you,
I
man.
know, dude. It's the same shit.
Hell yeah. Two-wheel. What's going on, man? Dylan.
Good.
Yeah, how you feeling, all right? Got the Red Bull. He's ready to go.
Oh, yeah?
This is going to be a good day. Which one are you on?
The middle one.
Okay. The middle red one?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Damn. That thing is clean, man.
Appreciate it.
Golly. The Beamers. We can't even touch these. So I'm not even going to try. What do you got done to yours?
Oh, it's just got a slip on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hell
But
yeah.
we do have some stuff coming in for it.
Uh-oh.
I got the brand tuning sit at the house, but I did get a
Okay.
more mafia tune on it.
Hell yeah.
Sorry about your 1199.
Exactly. What's up, man? Doing all right?
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah, this man. Animal. Two-wheel in the house. You got the fastest one out here?
No, they kicked them out earlier, so they're coming back over here.
Oh, they really?
Yeah.
What? Damn, man. What's up, man? How's it going, Dylan? Hell yeah. What are you on?
I'm on the Triumph, the yellow one.
Hell yeah. That thing's sweet looking, man. I love that color.
Man, thank you.
That's a sweet color.
Thanks, man. Oh, your YouTube post? I was like, man, I gotta meet you.
Hell yeah, man. That's awesome, bro. I appreciate that, man. For real. What's your name?
Mitch.
Mitch? Dylan, nice to meet you. What's your name?
AJ.
AJ. All right. AJ, Mitch. Got you guys, man. What are you on, Mitch?
I'm on the CB1000rr.
Hell yeah.
That red one.
The red one right there, it's nice too, man. How long have you had that for?
About like a year now.
Okay. That's not your first bike, is it?
Oh, yeah, it is.
Oh, dang. It's a little crazy. I like that, man. I like that.
You have some good content, man. I'll be watching it all the
Hell yeah, I appreciate it, man. I try and do what I can, you know what I'm saying? It's not the same down here like it is up in Kentucky, so
already know.
we try and make it happen, though. So I've been trying to travel a lot more
Yeah, I see.
to like the national meets and yeah, just get a little more active in the community, so. And 650 Eve's a good dude, man.
Yeah.
We made it down to the BP and it is thick out here. We got a squad that showed up, not expecting this. What's going on, man? How you doing, bro? You good? We got Calvin on the little Gixxer 750. We got a CBR1K R1 looking good. The Gixxer, I think this is a 600. I really like the styling on these. It's a stag? Ah, I mean, they all look the same, man. Still looks good though. Oh yeah, I see it now. Got the 1000 down here. I didn't mean to disrespect my boy like that. It's the 1000. Another CBR 1K. And I love the green on here, man. That is cool. Got an R1 new model. Looking clean as always. Hell yeah. CBR 1K. Used to love these. Always wanted one of these, man. Never ended up getting one. Yeah, I love the gold wheels on the red. That's a good mix. Got the ZX6 pulling up. Looking clean. What else we got out here? Planet, what's up, man? How you doing?
Good, bro. Hey, I follow you on YouTube.
What's your name?
Mike.
Mike, Dylan. Nice to meet you, man. What you on?
I'm on the ZX10R over there.
Hell yeah. Oh yeah, the brand new one. Okay, my boy Moto Matt got one just like that.
Yeah, I follow him
Yeah,
too.
he's the man. He's a good dude, man. That thing's quick.
I saw your post. I was like, bro,
I never been to a little moto meetup. I'm like, let me go have a little weekend, man.
Hell yeah, I appreciate y'all coming, man.
I saw your post. That's the only reason why I came.
Yeah, no, I appreciate y'all.
I screenshotted you through the address.
Yeah,
Smart.
exactly.
I was like, I'm coming down.
Yeah,
man.
hell yeah.
I woke up early, walked the dog, do what I had to do.
He was excited,
Get the
man.
chores done. I'm like, bro, I'm gonna go ride today, man. Build is nuts in real life. Like, I mean, like in video, that's just hard.
People don't understand that.
Bro, but I was like the carbon, the gold. I'm like, bro, this shit's hard, bro.
I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. You want to be on the channel? You want to be featured today?
Straight chilling.
Don't file today.
Yeah. There he is. We got Dude Mungus finally pulling up.
Hey, baby!
There he is. Hell yeah. I think you finished filming before we get kicked out of here. We got another Gixxer 600 over here. S1K, S1K, red S1K. A street triple, or speed triple, excuse me. Love the Triumphs as always. Yamaha NT07. We got Storm out here. We got my boy Two-Wheel Monster on his S1K. We got another Gixxer 1000. Got the stack out here. Kawasaki. This is the Z900. Y'all saw on my last videos, one of the guys that had one of these bikes was just sitting there chilling on the wheelies, man. Chilling. Damn. I love this. The Rocket 3. Never seen one of these in person with the carbon fiber cover on the top. These are V6s, aren't they? Damn. 2,500 cc's. That's insane. Absolutely insane. We still got people pulling in. We're definitely about to get kicked out of here. Street triple, another one with the green. Love the, I guess, green yellowish color that's on there.
Let them get the good sunlight on it.
Damn, bro, this shit's nice, bro. With the perp on there, I like it, man. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to pick up the sparkle in the paint, but that looks good, man. It looks
I ain't
good.
ready for that, man. That's that OG.
Hell yeah, that's true. That is true. Love the gold wheels and everything on there, bro. That looks good. We got another Cowie out here, 400. That what you're on? Hell yeah, we got a Lady Rider in the house. That's awesome, man. That is cool. With the matching helmet, that's cool. Repping, I love it. And then we got another, this is the Busa. Of course it's the Busa. You can't mistake the front fender on there and the look of the Busa. We got a matte gray R1. Same color that Storm used to be. And a ZX14, the big boy out here. Another ZX6R. Gixxer, probably 1K back there. It looks like 750 actually. We got another Gixxer 1000. We got a Harley boy out here. Hell yeah, let's go. Shout out to my Harley squad, as always. Bro, I was thinking we were gonna have like 5 bikes, maybe 10 max out here.
Nah, bro, you
That's
FastLaneD,
crazy.
baby!
That is crazy, man. I love it. I don't know if y'all just heard, but the security guard kicked some people out that were here earlier. We got a new R1, Gixxer 600, S1K. Hey! Another Gixxer 1000. Another gray R1 out here. 1199 and MT09. All right, we gotta figure out where we're going. I have no idea what route we're doing. And the security guard that works here is pissed off that we're here. So we gotta figure something out. I told you, yep, we gotta go. Damn, Gixxer, R1.